Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 10, Lesson 1. Let's see the board. Class 7, Subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, Topic Chapter 10, Lesson 1, Term Annual, Lecture 25. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 25. Teacher Mahmudur Rahman, Messenger Mahmudur Rahman Sohail, and this is my mobile number 01735 852285. Let's start our discussion. Lesson 1, Concept of Dowry, Causes and Effects. So today we will discuss on the concept of dowry and the causes behind of dowry and the after effects of dowry. At first, let's have the definition. The money or property that the groom or bride demands and receives from the opposite side during marriage is called dowry. So the concept of dowry is that from both of the sides, either the groom or the bride, if provides money or property, then it is called dowry. But in our society, the culture is that the most of the time the groom side demands money or property from the bride side, and as a result many problems are seen in the society. So now at first we will see the causes of dowry. Number 1, poverty is thought to be the main cause of dowry. As Bangladesh is an overpopulated country and most of the people are living in the villages, and at the same time many people are living below the poverty line. They want to establish themselves or remove their poverty by receiving the money from the bride's parents. Number 2, the groom wants to establish himself using the money and property of bride's father. Number 3, as most women of our country do not earn, they live a life of dependence. This is also a reason of the practice of dowry. As the women don't earn anything, they depend on other family members, and for this reason the family members of groom's family and the groom himself can impose restrictions and pressures from on the bride to get or collect the money of dowry. The next point is, in Bangladesh many wealthy people believe that the dowry will help their daughter to keep her head high in her husband's family. For this reason, they give huge dowry in their daughter's marriage. So this is a practice in the wealthy families. They believe that their daughter will be happy in the groom's family if they provide property or a large sum of dowry. And finally, ignorance about anti-dowry law and proper enforcement of this law is giving rise to this bad tradition. You should know that the government of Bangladesh has enacted a law against dowry. Both giving and receiving dowry is a crime. So there are, in some cases, the ignorance about this law is also creating the causes of dowry. So the people should be aware of this law. Now, effects of dowry. So what are the results of dowry? We have discussed on the causes of dowry. Now we'll learn that what are the effects. How does people or the women are suffering due to dowry? Number 1, married women suffer from torture and violence mainly for dowry. Number 2, the wife is humiliated in her husband's house due to dowry. The demanded money or the promised money when the bride's parents fail to give the promised money in due time, the wife is humiliated in his husband's house. Number 3, in some cases the wife is forced to leave her husband's house. When the torture and humiliation is in extreme level, the groom's parents or groom's house inflict so much torture and insults upon the wife that she is compelled to leave her husband's house. The next point is divorce cases and even death incidents are also happening due to dowry. And the last one is postmarital conjugal quarrel, torture, murder, early marriage and polygamy are other consequences of dowry. So these are the problems created by dowry. From the above discussion, we can easily conclude that dowry is an evil in our society. We must stop it. And the summary is both giving and receiving dowry are equal crimes. So dear students, as dowry, both giving and receiving dowry are crimes, we must avoid it. We must stop it and eradicate it from the society. And to banish this problem from the society, we should learn the law, we should know the law and upgrade our mentality. The bride's parents should not offer any money or property to the groom's family, and at the same time the groom and his family should come out from this evil practice to make our society a better place to live in. So my dear students, I hope that you have well understood today's topic. If you further question and any inquiries, please contact with me, and take care of yourself at home. Read more and more, and for your better understanding, read your textbook. Take care of yourself. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.